Wow, thank you so much for the very beautiful jaw-dropping same-day edit video of today's beautiful union of Taz and Jarrell. Big hand to KJ Films, please. To our beautiful couple, Taz and Jarrell. Excited po. Bapa kayo sa akong entourage. With our coordinators, grabe, they're very calm, what me na stress. So their calmness actually exudes, and we're also very chill. And we're very happy for a very successful event. And mabalik na magtrabaho na misis. Wow. Nilip ko na Miss, I'll be returning as Mrs. Rabadon. Hey!
Everyone, it's a wrap for today's wedding ceremony. It's the 14th of March, and this is, I think, my first wedding for this month, and I'm so happy with the results. So thank you so much, everyone. Woo! Nindot kayo ang mga guests nila kay wala jud sila ni uliog sayo. They even stay even at this hour. We started the wedding at 4 and then it's already around 7:45 and everyone is still on high spirits, high energy, and they are so happy for the wedding celebration.
Once again, we would like to request all our wedding suppliers for today. Please join us here in front for our photo opportunity.
Nice kasi Miss Jenny kay very kuan kanang dali ra ka siya ka maagreehan if ever na may mga sudden changes. Actually the GGB na mi very light pero very kuan ra kaayo si Miss Jenny, kalma ra kayo siya, and then willing siya to kanang murag mo adjust for us. Wala dali kay sad siya ka maka-adjust. So if mangita mag-host Miss Jenny.
Go to Miss Jenny.
Yes. Thank you.